Okay, guys, my apologies. I haven't made a video in a few days. Had a lot going on personally, but trading's been okay. VISN today from the chat room at greatstockpicks.com. This is Friday, November 15th, so I don't think I've made a video since Tuesday or Wednesday. Again, my apologies. One of our members, Emerson, typed in the chat room, VISN looks good over 950. Now, I wasn't even watching this one, but I know this thing can move like crazy at times. So when he posted that and I happened to see his post, I looked at it and really liked it. I'm panning out here now. You can see it hit 950 here. This is after a really big move up to almost 11. 950 here, a little bit of lower high. And it just really had a nice long kind of cup and handle and an intraday ascending triangle right below 950. So when Emerson typed that, I looked at it, totally agree with him, and I was able to jump on the microphone and type out in the chat room as well. VISN over 950 idea. Worst case stop 928, and I'll just scoot to the right and you can see what happened. All the way to 1154. So $2.03 in our favor, 23 cents risk. And I mean, it was off to the races right after the call. So another example of the great teamwork in the chat room. And had Emerson not posted that, I would have never seen it because I didn't even have it on watch. Some other things I called today was LINE. Well, I'll try to give you an arrow where I called this. I liked the gap up. I liked the daily, so I went ahead and called it long at 30.11, which was right, if I'm not mistaken, right about there where the arrow's touching. Worst case stop, low of day. And we got to move up over 30.60. And again, we're day traders, and we made some nice money there. I don't hold it all day. I wouldn't have, don't look at this and say, well, it's under 30 at the close, because it doesn't matter. We're day traders, in and out, and it was a nice trade. Took a short an ANF right here at 34.46. I mean, it definitely caught a down, down push, a push down, through the low of the day. I didn't make that much on it, but anyway, I called it short at 46. Worst case stop up above this little base here, and it fell for us. It fell, I don't know, 20, maybe 30 cents. But again, made some money on that short. Late in the day, I called CPRT short, because it was getting ahead of itself and it was running into resistance. Called it short right there with a stop right above there. So just played a reversal 5-minute sell on that setup right there. And it was at 32.76 and it went to 32.48 down here. But you can see how tight the stop was. That was a decent short too. And that's it. I mean, a couple of us, R. Brown, one of our All-Stars was, what's the name of that one? TTS. He called TTS on this pullback here, and it went up. He called it 1305, which is right about there. And you can see what it did. It went up over 1450 at the time. So that was nice, too. But overall, options expiration Friday, I don't do much in the afternoons. And so I didn't do much this afternoon either. But more than made my daily goal thanks to the teamwork in the chat room. Hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.